Now we're on to repairing the electronics. We've got loose bits, we've got brittle, broken wires. So first thing I do is I'm going to mark out which ones I want to desolder. Okay, so luckily I'm desoldering both of those because those are ugly connections there. And this one here is barely even attached. And then I need to desolder this. So this button is being taken apart by somebody and repaired. It works. So I would guess just the spring went in there. So let's hope. Let's hope she lasts. This could have been done in the 80s for all I know. So time to warm up the soldering iron. Well, that didn't go as planned. Tried a little too hard to get it perfect, and I ended up removing a pad. So, not the end of the world, but it is kind of a pain in the ass. So I removed it on this one here. And I just kept touching it up, and I just should have just left it the hell alone. It was good enough for inside of a old remote that isn't going to get played very much. But I don't know about you guys, but I do this to myself every once in a while. Try to get it just a little bit better and end up screwing myself. So, didn't knock it off the table, did I? Oh, for God's sakes, did I lose it already? Oh, there it is. Whew. I'm just trying to clean this pad up as best as I can. Get all those holes opened up as nicely as possible. There we go. Clean it up a bit more with some isopropyl. Okay. Blue gray in the center. Black on the left. Lots of flux. Maybe running out a bit hot, so give it a chance to cool down between solder joints. So hard to even tell that has been reattached. Okay, so I screwed two things up on here. I desoldered that when I didn't mean to, but that's back in. And I de-lammed one of the pads, so got everything. And see, so that goes there, and goes so. Oh, it's the first collection. Sometimes that's all there is to it. It's just sitting down and getting it done. But now I can, a little bit of sanding, and then I can reassemble both remotes. Because without those, the game's useless, so why not start there? That's why I did that. Then I'm going to get the main part wall mounted. I've already cleaned it out. I'm going to let this all cool down. Come back in a bit. And get them cleaned up and reassembled. So I don't know if I'm going to bother with the getting the color perfect on the cases and all that wet sanding and that right now. The electronics are done and the boxes are now complete. So I think I'm good there for right now.